Well, this is Fire Larry, and I'm out on a Saturday morning looking for trains. And I've been wanting to catch one that's crossing the Chattahoochee River. Now, that side over there, that is Georgia, southwest Georgia. And on this side where I'm standing is Alabama. So we're going to catch a train here, I'm pretty sure. I can hear it off in the distance. Let's see. Yeah, we got it coming. There she comes. Well, there she goes. Hey, if you like, hit the like button, subscribe, won't cost you anything. And take a look at some of my other videos. I think you'll appreciate it. I know I will. Take care.